Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Gresik. We will present about the material is understanding the use of being polite in a letter. Okay, before we start present, I want to introduce ourselves. My name is Fitri Aryani as moderator, and my partner is Rosmatisa and Sinta Putri Elza as speaker. Okay, the first material explained by me. Okay, the material about understanding the use of being polite in a letter. Understanding the use of politeness in a letter is crucial for effective communication, particularly in formal or business contexts. Politeness not only reflects respect for the reception but also enhances the chance of positive response to the message conveyed. Here are detailed overview of how politeness functions in letter writing. Okay, the importance of politeness. Politeness serves to maintain good relationship between the writer and the reader. It encompasses two main aspects. The first, show respect. This involves using language that conveys value and consideration for the reception. For instance, addressing someone with their approach title, a Mr., Mrs., dear, demonstrates a respect, especially in formal situations. And next, number two, softening directness. Politeness often requires softening requests or statements to avoid sounding too forceful. This can be achieved through headgear language or indirect parsing, which makes the communication more textual. Okay, this is about the importance of politeness. And the next material about politeness strategy in letter explained by Sinta Putri Elza.
Okay, thank you, moderator. I'm Sinta Putri Rosa. I want to explain politeness strategies in letters. The first is U attitude. The U attitude is a key strategy in a persuasive writing, particularly in the business letters. This approach focuses on the reader's needs and a perspective rather than on the writer's intentions. By prioritizing the reader's interest, writer can be great a sense of goodwill and positive involvement, which is essential for prospective communication. The second is polite praising. Use of polite praise can significantly alter the tone of a letter. For example, first is instead of saying send me the report, a more polite request would be could you please send me the report. Second is when giving feedback, starting with a positive note followed by constructive criticism can solve the impact. The third is indirect request. In a formal letter, especially when addressing someone in higher position, indirect requests are preferred. For example, instead of position directly asking for an interview, one might say, I would appreciate the opportunity to discuss this further of your convenience. This approach respects the recipient's autonomy and preserves their negative phase. Okay, back to moderator. Thank you.
I'm Rosmatisa. The next material, how to be a polite in a letter. The first, start with a friendly greeting. Use appropriate salutation like dear, name, or hello, name, if unsure of the recipient's name. Use a polite generic greeting such as dear sir or madam. And okay, next express gratitude or acknowledge. The recipients begin with a line of appreciation, such as thanks you for reaching out to us. I hope this mission find you well. Next, use polite language of offers softer word and prices. Instead of I want, use I would like. Instead of send me this, say could you please send me this. Example, I would appreciate it if you could. Please let me know if there anything else I can assist with. Okay, next, be empathetic, acknowledge the recipient's perspective or effort. I understand you may have a busy schedule, but I would be grateful if you call. The next, and on a courteous note, use polite closing statement like, thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to hearing from you. Close with a respectful sign off, such as sincerely, best regard, or kind regard. Okay, next, maintain a positive tone. Avoid sounding demanding, critical, or abrupt. Frame even negative messages diplomatically. Instead of we cannot approve this, say unfortunately we are unable to approve this at the moment. Okay, the last, review and edit for tune. Reread your letter to ensure it sound respectful and kind.
Okay, thanks to Rosmatisa. So this is about the material. Understand the use of being polite in a letter. Thanks for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.